For the next 7 days, I'm going to show you a path that will be tough, full of challenges, and problems will arise. If you follow what I'm saying for these 7 days, you might be able to achieve something big. I'm talking to you, my friend. How long will you keep doing this? How long will you waste your time every day watching YouTube Shorts and Reels? When this year, 2023, began, I had a dream, a purpose. This year, you have a goal, a person you need to crack this year. But this is not just about motivation anymore. If you're standing up, you must do something big in life. You must. But still, why aren't you studying? Because there are so many distractions. What distractions? Netflix, Instagram, and more. Because they waste your time. When you look at your parents, how would it feel if you had achieved that dream you once saw? You wanted to see that proud feeling in your parents' eyes, but that dream remained unfulfilled. What if you had studied on time? This very thought is painful. It gives immense pain. We need to come out of these things. But yes, friend, saying it is easy, doing it is hard. I understand your point. I have been through this myself. Thousands of my students go through this too. But that's exactly why I'm standing in front of you today. In the next 7 days, your life could change. Today, I'm going to show you a path. For the next 7 days, a path that will be difficult. Challenges and problems will arise. But if you stay committed, your dreams can come true. Because if you're dreaming of going to IIT, you need to crack this exam. For the next 7 days, I'm not giving you motivation. Instead, I'm teaching you how to build a habit. You need to develop a habit. What do you need to do for the next 7 days? The biggest problem is that whenever we get motivated, we pick up the toughest subjects. Then we start studying, but we don't understand the subject. Imagine a student who wants to study for 6 hours daily. He thinks about doing it tomorrow. What I'm saying is, don't study for 6 hours. I need to instill a habit, so we need to take small steps. If you're thinking of studying for 6 hours, cut it in half, 3 hours. From now on, you need to study for 3 hours. Now for the next 7 days, I need to instill a habit. So, on the first day, I'll just study for 3 hours. Studying for 3 hours is easy. If you're thinking of studying for 6 hours, cut it to 3 hours. No problem. Now when the next day begins, you need to trick your mind. Tell your mind, let's study for 3 hours and 15 minutes. We're only increasing by 15 minutes. Gradually increase the study time like this. For the next 7 days, you shouldn't pick up difficult subjects. Pick the ones you love. We need to build a habit, and habits are built with small steps. Just like you studied for 3 hours and 15 minutes on the first day, on the next day, increase it to 3 hours and 30 minutes. Then make it 3 hours and 45 minutes. Keep increasing gradually. I gave an example of a student who wants to study for 6 hours but gets distracted and procrastinates. He thinks he'll do it tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. We need to start today. If you're thinking of 3 hours, start with 1 hour and 30 minutes and increase it by 15 minutes each time. This is a scientifically proven method, which will help your mind work properly and keep you from getting distracted. Along with this, we also need to eliminate our distractions. Imagine you spend 2 hours every day on gaming, watching YouTube Shorts, or hanging out with friends. Now you need to reduce this 2-hour time. Reduce it by 15 minutes, and gradually decrease it. What will happen? In 7 days, you'll develop a new habit, and this habit will be enough to change your life. Today, you need to take up this 7-day challenge. Comment today and say, I'm taking this 7-day challenge. If you truly want to take this challenge and get rid of the regrets you might have in the future, then comment today. After 7 days, send me a message on Instagram or comment below this YouTube video saying that you completed this challenge. Within 7 days, you can change your life. You need to take up this challenge and follow it for the next 7 days. Get this in your mind. Whether it's your uncle's wedding or your cousin's wedding, I don't care. If you're taking up this challenge today, then follow it for the next 7 days. It won't take much time, but it can change your life. Today, you need to decide your worth. This word, worth, you should decide it yourself. Either do something big today or do nothing at all. When your name comes in the newspaper, people will know what you've done. I've guided you. Now it's up to you to follow it or not. I know today's words must have made you think. If I've said something wrong, I apologize for that. But one thing I'll definitely say is that I want you to do something big in your life. Take this challenge and achieve something big in the next 7 days. Thank you, everyone. Please do comment below this video.